for being a part of my life.
Hello everybody, today it's our grandpa's birthday and he has turned 86 and we're going to celebrate it by sharing a song we made especially for him.
Dad told me when he was still a little boy, when he was sickly, nothing much to enjoy. You gave up work and gave your all. For 6 months he was all your choice. Dad told me when he was still in school, but for siblings, know what, they're so cool. You doubly worked hard and gave your all, till all of them got work on their own. Thank you, Granddad, for being a part of my life, for raising a family where love and kindness thrive. Thank you, Granddad, for my dad. Time passed and as the years went by, left the job you loved and bade goodbye. Chose from life of an urban lifestyle, working your hands in a life of toil style. I've always wondered why you don't get tired, always working late with just grandma's eye. You could still outwork just about anyone, despite wonky fingers and which are still working fine. Thank you, Granddad, for being a part of my life, for raising a family where love and kindness are right. Thank you,
Happy birthday, Lolo.